13 is an inequality that has an absolute value in it, so we want to make sure we apply our PEMDAS in reverse. I'd like to get rid of the addition subtraction. Okay, I can do that. There's a subtraction that's being done. I'm going to rewrite it first. 2x minus 4 minus 6 is less than 12. So our goal is to get the absolute value isolated by itself. We can undo either the subtracting 6 or the multiplying by 3. So we want to undo subtracting 6 first because it is our order of operations backwards. So those are instructions. So the absolute value, 3 times the absolute value of 2x minus 4 has to be less than 18. Now that I've gotten rid of the addition subtraction, I can work on getting rid of the multiplication division. So now I want to get rid of multiplying by 3, and that is by dividing by 3. So those will reduce the absolute value of 2x minus 4 is less than 6. Now I'm down to the point where I'm at my grouping symbols. The way that we handle absolute values with grouping symbols is we break them into case 1 and case 2. And once I break it into case 1 and case 2, we have interpreted what the absolute value is meaning in this problem. So this 2x minus 2, or I'm sorry, 2x minus 4 could equal a positive 6, or the 2x minus 4 could equal a negative 6. Okay, I solved the equation that I put down in both of these, either positive or negative. I'll come back and interpret a distance smaller than 6. Explain that in the previous example if you want to know where that interpretation is coming. So I'm going to go 2x. I'm going to add 4 to both sides. Has to equal a 10, which means x has to equal a 5 if I divide both sides by 2. Show that work. Over here, I want to make sure I add 4. That'll give me a 2x that equals a negative 2. Divide both sides by 2. X has to equal a negative 1. Okay, so now our number line has got these two numbers as our anchor points or as our solution boundaries. This time I'm going to look at my inequality sign at this point and say, okay, I want my distance to be less than. Less than is going to be an open circle on both of them. And if I want my distance to be less than, I want to make sure that I'm going in towards the numbers that we can select. The number or the x that we want that we can double and then measure the distance from 4 so it is less than 6 units away has to be within this zone between -1 and 5. So our solution says -1 and 5.